Oh, I'm good. I don't really like helping.
Oh, I know.
Thanks again for helping.
I don't really do much besides.
Better.
Maybe when this whole thing's over, I could try to live a regular, boring life. Take you out for.
Good job, Felix. Thanks for doing that.
I can't believe you're gonna let them all stay here. Like indefinitely?
What choice did I have?
Oh.
You'll be fine living with Murphy for a little bit.
I don't wanna.
Hi, can I help you?
Oh, why don't you come in?
Sure. What work for
There's a wedge.
Jennifer was running from him or from someone because she bought a new identity. So that's the only.
What are you doing? What do you think I'm doing? Trey's my boy. I'm not gonna let him go down for something he didn't do.
No, hey.
Sarah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I could have gotten it.
Sure. Listen, you got this, man. Okay? Okay.
I think I found something. Jennifer's yearbook from her mom's house. That, Nothing.
Oh my God.
What are you doing?
Come on, Pretzel. Have fun in Canada, you dick. Your guts. I never felt disabled around you.
In your gut because she was your best friend, okay? She was my best friend too. And you know what my gut says? That she was wanted dead by a very...
Move in after a few days. But I'll look at you more as like my live-in chef.
So as soon as I stop cooking, then.
Oh, it's over. You're home. Felix, what the hell? Do you have a charger for this? It's fine.